you had to read each word, then write the word and draw a slash between the two syllables, okay? What were we learning about on Friday?
Open and close syllable.
Yeah, who said that? Was that Sophia? We were learning about, good girl, we were learning about open and close
syllable.
syllables. Good. And Lisa, an open syllable ends with a
Verb.
vowel and has a long sound. Yeah? Everybody do this. Closed syllable
Close syllable.
ends in a consonant.
And in the consonant.
Has a short sound.
The short sound.
Yeah. So that's what we were learning about on Friday was open and closed syllables. Okay. So we're going to do a bit more of that today when we read a story. Okay. So number 1, Daisy.
/lut.
Yeah, good. Pie/lut. Yeah, give yourself a tick, everybody. Yeah. Remember, you can place your hand under your chin and say pilot, and that will help you, okay? Hooray! Number 2, what did you write?
I will later and put the slash between the letter A and the letter T.
Good boy, excellent. So we've got later, okay? Put your hand under your chin, say the word, and that will help you. Good. Number 3.
Lemon.
Say, I put a slash after the letter
E.
After the letter M, like this. Lemon. Okay. Just change it if you got that bit wrong, okay?
No, but I think to do that.
To be lemon. What?
Come and say lemon.
Lemon.
Number 4, pasta.
Hotel.
Yeah, where did you put the slash?
Hole between the hole and the tail.
Yeah, good. Okay, hotel. Excellent. And
Number 5, tiger. I took the slash between tie.
yeah, like this, banana, between the I and the G. Good boy. Excellent. So we've got tiger. Good. Okay. So Alex, looking at pilot, look at the first syllable, pie. Is that open or closed syllable?
It is the open syllable because it has the vowel at the end.
Good, excellent, well done. And we say it like a long vowel sound. So we say pilot, not pilot. Oh, look, there's a pilot on the aeroplane. Yeah, we say it with a long I, pilot. Good, well done, Alex. Okay, looking at our next word, puppy, later. Look at the first syllable. Is that open or closed?
Close.
Is it closed? Look, we've got L-A. So it ends in a vowel. So it's
Open.
open. Good girl. Yeah. Okay, Moon. Number 3, lemon. Look at the first syllable, lem. Is that an open or closed syllable? Can you see the first syllable in lemon is lem? Yeah, that's the first syllable, lem. Second syllable is un. Yeah? So
I think it needs to be lemon. Why it is lemon?
because that's how you say it. You say lem, un. You don't say lemon, you say lem, un.
Lemon.
Yeah. So
Why?
who can help? Let me ask if Honey, can you help Moon? So where it says lemon, the first syllable, lem, is that open or closed? Bunny.
I think it is open syllables.
Okay, so our first syllable
syllable.
is closed. Good. Okay. Why is it closed? Because it ends in a consonant. Yeah. So everybody, let's do it together. Put your hands together. This is going to help you remember. We say open syllable.
Open syllable.
Ends with a vowel.
And with a vowel.
That's a long sound.
Has a long sound.
Closed syllable.
Close
Ends
syllable.
in a consonant.
And then a consonant.
Has a short sound. So let's have a look at the next part of the homework. Emma, what did you have to do?
Now use the word you wrote above to complete the sentence below.
Okay, to complete the sentences below. Good. Can you read number 6, Emma?
A tiger has orange fur with black stripes.
Good. Well done. A tiger has orange fur with black stripes. Good. Okay, Ray, read number 7 for us.
Stan will add lemon to his tea.
Yeah. Stan will add lemon to his tea. Mango, you want to read number 8?
The pilot sits in front of the plane.
Good boy. Yeah. The pilot, sits in front of the plane. Good. Jack, number 9.
He stayed at a big hotel by the beach last summer.
Good. And Rose, can you read number 10 for us?
Number 10 is Mom likes to stay up later.
Yeah? Good. So Mum likes to stay up later than Dad does. Good. Can you show me how many you got right on your fingers? If you got 10 out of 10, show me 10 fingers.
I have 10 fingers.
Well done. Good. Excellent. Good job. Well done, everybody. I can see you did really well. Okay, perfect. So let's have a look now onto our lesson, okay? Can anybody remember what V/CV means? Taylor, can you remember?
Vowel, consonant, vowel.
Excellent, good. And that's the pattern, yeah, of all those words there that you can see. So look, we can see we've got V, which means vowel, and then we have consonant, vowel. Yeah, so everybody's going to clap with me. Hotel, pilot, river, planet,
Planet.
wagon.
Planet.
I'm going to ask Cherry to read these words and we will repeat after Cherry.
Why?
Why? Everybody, why?
Why?
Afraid.
Afraid.
Wood.
Word.
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 Own. Park.
Many.
Many.
So.
Four.
Night.
Might. Excellent, thank you, Cherry. These are high frequency words. These are words you see a lot in the English language, okay? So we're going to see these come up in our story today. So our story today is Racing Away, okay? Emma, who is the author who has written the book?
Cynthia.
Cynthia Rothman is the author. That's who wrote the story. And who drew the pictures? Jack?
Tim Flowers.
Tim Bowers. Yeah, he was the person who drew the picture. And looking at the front cover, Kim, looking at the front cover and the title, what do you think our story will be about? What do you predict our story will be about? You can't, what do you think about the title? What does the title say?
Racing Away.
So what do you think it might be about? Do you think it might be about going to buy ice cream?
No.
Okay, so what do you think?
Racing.
Yes, it will be about racing. And looking at the picture, who do you think will be racing?
Snake, duck, bear, frog.
Yeah, it will be a race between animals. And Mango, thank you, Kim. Mango, what do you think our genre might be? Will it be a horror? Will it be a scary story? Will it be a mystery? Will it be a realistic fiction? Will it be informational text? Will it be fantasy? What do you think?
I think like fiction.
Yeah. Okay, what kind of fiction?
Fantasy.
Fantasy, good boy. Why do you think it will be fantasy? What clues can you see?
Because animals in real life never race.
Yeah, good. So we know it's fantasy because the animals will be racing and probably talking to each other, right? So that means it will be fantasy because in real life, animals cannot talk to each other. Okay, or maybe they can't ice skate together. Yeah, good guess. Okay, let's have a look at Sophia. Can you read the first sentence for us, please?
The sun was rising as snake, duck, bear, and frog was waking up.
They were waking up.
Were waking up.
Good. Ben 10, are you there? Please put your camera on. Daisy, can you read the rest of the page, please?
Clang, 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 clang. Who kept on ringing the bell?
Yeah, good. Clang, 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 clang. Who kept on ringing that bell? Okay, so in your notebooks now, you are going to draw this table. Okay, so you need two titles, two columns. One column says open syllables end in a vowel, A, E, I, O, U. And then your second column, you're going to write closed syllables end in a consonant, okay? And then when you've finished, I want you to hold up your notebook so I can see who's ready. So we are going to look at one syllable words, okay? So try not to choose one with two syllables. So there's lots here like the sun was, as snake, duck, bear, and frog were up, clang, who kept on that bell. Okay, so we've got lots of words with one syllables here. And it's your job to write down what column they belong in. So I have some examples here on my screen. So remember, open syllables end in a vowel. Closed syllables end in a consonant. Okay, Blue Moon, what words did you write down that have an open syllable?
Were.
Yeah, good. Were, yeah, and just give me some closed syllables, Blue Moon.
There was earth and sun, up, clang, frog, on, bell, cat, duck.
Well done, excellent, good job, good. Okay, and it's nice to hear your voice again. Okay, Puppy, can you read the first 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences, please, Puppy?
It was fox. He waved his hand and asked snake, duck, bear, and frog to sit. Fox had a big nose. It said, come and be in this great race.
Good. Wait, Puppy, can you say it said?
It said.
Say it said.
It Good.
Yes, good. Well done. Come and be in this great race. Thank you. Okay, and let me ask Sarah, can you read the rest of the page? Sarah.
It was fox. He was his hand and asked snake that went and fox to sit. Had a big note. It said, "Come and be in this great race, which you will be." Answered Snake. "We must have a race that most of us, more of us want," said Fox. "We must vote," Jane said Bear.
Good. Okay. Remember, you got to say fox with that sound. Yeah, good job. Okay. So when we summarize, we tell the most important events. Can anybody summarize the story so far? Who would like to have a go? Moon?
Frog, snake. But what is this animal with white fur? Duck. And they were sleeping, and they heard a loud noise from above. Chang, chang, chang.
Okay, Moon, do you think that's important to tell? If I tell your mum about the story, do you think it's important I tell her about the bell ringing?
No.
No, okay. So you might say, in the beginning, there are a group of animals who get invited to a race. Yeah? The next, they try to decide what race they will have. Yeah? You see that? Very simple. 2 sentences. I told you what's happening, yeah? Good girl. I'll ask you a bit later if you can summarize some more, okay? Good. So let's have a look now. I'm going to ask, yes, Ben 10. Okay, can you read 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences? So halfway through the page.
Halfway to the page, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Snake is hopping, it will be a sliding race. Snake is good at sliding. Duck is hoping it will be a gliding race. Duck is good at gliding.
Good, thank you. Good, good, good. Jack Fu, can you read the rest of the page?
Frog is hopping. It was me jumping.
It will be a hiking. Bear is hoping it will be a hiking race.
Bear is hopping. It will be a hiking race. Bear is good at hiking. Frog is hopping. Frog will be jumping.
Okay, Frog is hoping it will be a jumping race. Frog is good at jumping. Good. Okay, I'm going to ask Sam, what is the problem in our story? What's the problem with the characters? What's happened?
Everyone would like they to be the thing that they like the easy is like the frog hope is hopping because you're good at it. But snake
Yeah.
cannot hop. Goose cannot hop.
Yeah, exactly. So they are hoping to do a race that they're really good at, yeah? So that's a problem because not all of them are good at it. Yeah. So what do you think might happen, Pasta?
They would argue.
You think they're going to have an argument, yeah? Okay, let's see. Let's see if your prediction is right. Okay, Alex, can you read the first 1, 2, 3 sentences, please?
Fox name in a race
And snake, duck, bear, and frog voted. Snake voted for sliding, duck voted for gliding race, bear
Okay,
voted for hiking, frog voted for jumping, and race got one vote.
good. Okay, so fox named a race and snake, duck, bear, and frog voted. Snake voted for sliding, duck voted for gliding, bear voted for hiking, and frog voted for jumping. So every race got one vote. So Joe, what do you think will happen now?
Fox name a race and snake. Duck, bear, and frog vote. Snake vote for sliding.
Okay,
Duck vote
Joe, can you say voted?
voted.
Good. And Joe, what do you think will happen now? What do you think will happen next? So they all have voted for one race. What do you think will be their solution? How will the problem get fixed? Do you think Fox will help them?
No,
No. What do you think they will do?
they will do for every race got one vote.
Yeah, so every race got one vote. So now, how do they decide what race to do?
I think
Do you think Fox will give them another idea?
yes. I have my answer, Rati.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Joe. Okay, let me see who's got an idea. Who's that? Taylor?
Hello.
Okay, yeah, Taylor, tell me, what do you predict will happen now?
I think Fox will say that if I choose one of those races, it will be unfair, and Fox will do a running race.
Oh, good prediction. So you predict that Fox will not choose one of those races because it will be unfair. Excellent, well done. So Fox will come up with another kind of race. Let me see if you're right. Okay. Wow, that's a good prediction. Okay. I would like to ask Bunny, can you read 1, 2, 3 sentences, please?
Voting did not help them much. Can we have an ice skating race as Fox? No one is good at that. Yes, we all could have an even
Chance?
chance in that race. And this snake.
Good. Okay. So Taylor, you were right. Yeah, but
That's almost the same.
yeah, very similar. You said running, but he chose ice skating. Yeah. So good guess. Good prediction. Okay, so let's keep writing in our table. Okay, so looking at this page, can you start adding to your table? Finding words with 1 syllables. And I'm going to give you about 10 seconds. Okay, I'll show you some of my examples. Okay, banana. Can you tell me some of your words with open syllables?
Toys. We
Yeah, nice, good.
have
Yeah, good.
one.
Yeah, nice, good boy. Okay, what about closed syllables, banana?
Much.
Yeah,
Wood.
nice, good job, well done. Okay, so let's have a look what happens next in our story. Blue Moon, can you read the first 2 sentences?
Fox went on the ice first, but landed on his back. Then Fox got up and skated. Finish.
Oh yeah, well done, good job. Actually, keep reading, Blue Moon, just finish the page.
Bear
Slid?
slid and fell and fell and slid and fell. Then Bear skated off
with rice. Snack tries an S with cake.
Good, well done. So, Moo. No, I'm going to ask Sophia. Do you think this race is fair for all of the characters?
No, just for snakes.
Why?
Because all of them fall down.
Yeah, but all of them fall down, but all of them get better, don't they? So it is fair, Sophia.
But not snake.
But not Snake. So maybe Snake was a little bit better at the start, but it's all fair because they all find it difficult to start. And now look at them. They're all so happy because they can do it. Jack, can you read up to fast? So 1, 2, 3 sentences.
Frog got up and skipped.
Say
Frog
skated.
skated. Frog spun and spun on the ice. Duck was afraid, but soon he skated and went fast. Fox, snake, bear, duck, and frog just skated and smiled. Skating was fun.
Skating was fun. Good. Okay.
Can I go to the toilet?
Yeah, Milk, can you read the last page?
Okay, this is the best race. Therefore, yes, said Bear. Next time we can have a biking race. No one is good at baking.
Say baking.
Baking things. That would be fun. After we can bake a snack.
Good. Okay, good. Okay, so who can summarize the whole story for me? Tell me the main important events. It's a little bit tricky. I can see Taylor wants to have a go. Anybody else? Who would like to summarize? Okay. Taylor, let's hear your summary.
Once upon a time, there was bear, fox, and snake doing a race. Bear hoped that it will be a hiking race.
Okay.
Fox hoped
Okay.
it was a jumping race.
Taylor, can you say that in a shorter way? Yeah, so could you say a group of animals are invited for a race, but every animal wants to do a race that they are good at?
Oh, yes.
Is that shorter, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, so we want it nice and short. Okay, keep going, good girl.
Everyone wants to do a race that they are good at. But Frog thinks that it is unfair, so he chose a skating race that no one is good at. Then the animals are all happy.
Yeah, why are they happy? Because
the no one is
because it's fair.
it's fair.
Good, well done, excellent, really good, good, excellent summary. So remember the summary, we just give up the important details, okay? So we don't have time to add any more to our table, but before we finish, let's everybody say, closed syllable ends with a...
And short sound.
Okay, ready, everybody say, open syllable ends with a vowel.
Open syllable ends with a vowel.
They make a vowel and a word a long sound.
Good. Okay, homework today, page 121.